First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Tinuruan mo akong magmahal ng mas malalim. Mas magiging matatag at maniwala muli sa plano ng Diyos. Naalala ko kasi dati, nakasalubong lang kita sa pasilyo ng opisina. At ngayon, ito tayo. Nangangako na bubuo na ng sarili
Sa
pamilya.
tuwing tinatanong puso ko, saan ba ang handong laging ikaw ang tinuturo?
Thank you for always asking how I am, for remembering what I love, and for making me feel seen, valued, and chosen. Before you, I was no one else's favorite. And then you came, and I learned how it feels to be a priority, to be genuinely cared for, to be known, without needing to explain myself.
Ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilom, dinalangin payapa, sagot sa aking tanong. Ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw
Love,
ko sa
sana wag kang magbago kahit na magbabago na yung label natin as husband and wife. And wag sana magbago yung pagiging super ma-effort mo, mabait, mapagmahal sa parents.
Siya kasi yung nakikita kong best friend ko at magiging partner ko na in life. Then siya yung naglapit sa akin sa Diyos bilang pagpasok ko sa iglesia.
Kahit ano pa mang daan, ilang pintuan may buksan, likod nito iyong
Ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin kong makasama. Mahal na mahal kita, tanong mo man sa buwan. Sinasambit ko kung gaano kasiguradong mahal kita. Tandaan mo na ikaw, laging ikaw, ang babawi ng pagkukulang at bawat pagkakamali. Ikaw lang ang pupuno, ikaw lang ang sasapat. Ikaw lang ang papawi sa mga duda ko sa sarili at mananatiling mahal kita, walang bahid, ka ng kahit o bakit.
payapa, ang aking hilom, dinalangin payapa, sagot sa
With quiet trust in God's plan for us, I choose you. In effort and in laughter, in certainty and in doubt, in all that we are and all that we are still becoming. You are the answer to my panata. And from this day forward, I am yours. Love you.
kung gabay kong bituin, saysay at dahilan ko, buhay ng aking kwento, sa mundo kong puro pera, ikaw ikaw ang aking sigurado. Sigurado.